guys, Heather and Kelly here with Style to Design. We found our next property and it's perfect.
I'm like so pumped. It's on the beach. We're gonna call Cedric, see where he's at, and see if he can come meet us really quick over here because I think he could actually take the moat with him.
Yeah.
Let's see. Come on, Cedric, pick up. You think he's gonna pick up?
Hello?
Hey, Cedric, we just arrived. Any chance you can come by? We're at 3399 Gulf Shore Boulevard, Unit 203, right on the beach.
I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Sweet. All right, we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Style to design, best thing today. Let's transform this listing the stylish way.
All right, guys, what is the plan here? What are we doing here today?
We're going coastal. Cedric, we're on the beach, right?
We are on the
We
beach.
are. We're gonna remove those dated mirrors. They got to go with those sconces. And then what do you think? Universal flooring throughout?
Yep.
I think doing that light smoked oak look. What about, we have a couch, we have
Two accent chairs.
perfect, and I think we're gonna do an accent color of, what are we gonna do?
Blues and greens.
Yeah.
Because we're coastal, right?
Yeah,
A
we are
foyer
on the
table.
beach. We are on the beach.
Yep. An entry table with a piece of art and call it a day.
Normally, a kitchen renovation is about 10 years. What do you guys think about this one?
And I think this is going a little past 10 years.
It's gone a little past 10 years. We're a little dated. So right here in the dining area, we're gonna get rid of, again, the dated mirrors. Small circle table, because we're in a smaller space. We're going to pop a new chandelier here. We're gonna brighten this area up. There's not a lot of light here.
Yeah, so in the kitchen, what we wanna do is we wanna check the soffit, because right now this actually does bump down quite a bit lower. I think we need to square off that soffit, remove the ceiling fan, put in recessed lighting in there, go ahead and take this from a bar height to a counter height, remove that backsplash, maybe do a mosaic stone or marble right there, and then do a quartzite on the countertops, change out the hardware, change out those appliances, put some pendant lighting over that countertop, and I think it's gonna look phenomenal.
Yep. Pop some sisal or jute bar stools there and let's call it a day.
Call it a day. Man, this is a nice sized bedroom. What are we gonna do with this, guys?
Blue curtains, and we're gonna tie in a rug with blue accents as well.
Yeah, so we're gonna do universal flooring. So we're gonna go ahead and keep that smoked oak. We're gonna do a nice headboard, a bench, and really bring in some artwork above the bed and really make it classy, timeless, coastal, because we're at the beach.
We're at
We
the
are
beach.
at the
We're gonna
beach.
tie it all in. Yeah, thanks Cedric so much for coming to meet us. This is literally right here on the beach.
I know, so it is such a fantastic location because it's affordable in the heart of Naples with a fantastic beach. I mean, this is what Naples is all about.